Video, I'm going to talk about 5 highly income skills. If you learn this skill, trust me, guys, it will really help you to grow in your career. And especially this video is for a student who recently graduated and not able to understand which field they should go into and which is good for their career. So trust me, guys, if you learn these skills, any one of these skills, so your future will be very bright. Because I know when I graduated from my university, I was facing a lot of struggle and hurdle because I was not able to find a very good job, and I was not able to understand and decide that in which field should I go. So then I researched a lot and I decided to learn designing skills. So that's where I found my career path and start working towards that career path. And I've been working in different, and recently I worked on a startup, and then again I've been working in an ad agency. So it has been helping me a lot just because I learned this skill at the right moment. So it has been helping me since that day. So that's why I really want you to learn any of these skills, so you don't need to survive in your career. Because communication skills matters a lot, no doubt about it. But along with your communication skills, you should know some kind of skill, because at the end of the day, you have to work when you have to go to the workplace or work in any company. So yeah, I know your communication skills and everything matters a lot, and everything you really need your knowledge and your graduate and your degree, everything matters a lot. But if you know any kind of skill and are able to learn any kind of these skill, this will definitely help you to grow in your career. So and I'm going to tell you about 5 to 6 skills. If you want, if in any of these skills, if you have any interest, so you can learn it, and it will take some time. You have to take almost 3 to 6 months. It depends how much dedicated you are in learning this skill. So if you can do it, so your future will be very bright and you don't have to do any kind of struggle in your career. So let's start it. So first skill is software development. What I mean by this skill is all about coding, website development, and specifically it's all about backend work. How application works, how system works. Everywhere, any business, either it's hospital, either it's business side, either it's corporate side, either it's e-commerce business, everyone needs a website or software, some kind of software to run their business. It could be about HR business to maintain the record of their employees. It could be about grocery services. They have to put everything online and products online. So they need some kind of application website where they can upload their products to attract their customer. So these things are, as you know, that every business technology is very important right now. Every without technology and without taking help with from these app, and no business can work properly or function properly. So it's really important. So everybody and every business needs software application, website development, and coding. So you can learn it. It's not a hard and fast rule. If your background is not from computer side or engineering side, so I know you will have to face some kind of difficulty in learning these skills. But if you do it with dedication and passionately or full commitment, so you will be able to learn this skill. And if you are able to do this with full passion, so you have no idea how much you can learn or earn from this skill. So spend some time and give. You have to be hard on yourself and give some challenge and hard time to yourself in learning this skill. Now move to the digital marketing. Now you develop the application. You just attracting your customer, and for your customer you just develop your website, your application, and everything. Now it's time to what digital media is all about: promoting your product. It could be you can do and promote your business or product via SEO, so Google Ads and everything. Everything comes under digital marketing. So if you can learn this skill, and you should learn it, and you don't want to go into any difficult side like coding, web development, back-end side, and everything like that, the formulas and everything. So you can learn digital marketing, but it's an art itself. Digital marketing, running a Google Ads, performance marketing to attract your customer. So it's not an easy task. So you have to work on strategies. You have to work on social media calendars. You have to work on performance report and everything. You have to work on these things. So if you have any interest in this side, so you can learn this skill. And trust me, guys, every business right now, this skill is very huge in demand right now. If you have any interest, just learn it and apply for an internship initially, and then from there you can start your business and get an idea how businesses work and everything is working there. So you will then, after, you can improve your skills and then work on yourself again. So now move to the next thing is data analysis or data science. So this is another a very huge field. Basically, who has a computer field background and computer engineering background, or right now businesses background also preferring this skill or try to learn and understanding the science behind this skill. So let me tell you and give you a small intro about this skill that is all about making that if there is a grocery app or there is an e-commerce app, there has to be a lot of data they have it. So how they gonna understand how much they are selling, how much they are progressing, and how much commission they are getting. So all the reports and all the data analyzed by computer experts and by making Excel reports, PPT reports, and give to the business side and to their head. So as per their report, they take decisions and show the progress of their company as per the report from that data analyst report. So it's a very huge in demand skill because businesses are able to understand and analyze their progress and business profit and losses, what about their product, a specific product and everything. So it's a very important skill, and you know that everything is everyone is using technology to promote their business. So the data analysis and data sciences is a very huge and very popular or in demand skill, but it's not a SQL. You could say SQL is another skill you can learn it. This everything comes under data analysis, but it's not an easy thing to do. You have to be very good in your skill if you really want to learn this skill. And then what you have to do is next thing is UI and UX design. So you learn how to develop website, application, coding, everything you know, and I told you about the backend side. Now it's time to it's all about front end side. How it's all about your user experience, how customers are experiencing and how they feel about your website. It's all about the layout of your interface of your website and of your application, how you placing your product, what button should be in front of in front page and everything, what language you are going to use, and everything comes under the UX and UI design. And it's really important that you should know about that and you should learn about this skill. It's a very in demand skill, and making customer is all about that. It's all about making the life of your customer easy and they feel good about your product, and they should not hesitate while coming to your website, and they just directly come in the buy from your website. It's all about UX and UI design, how you design your interface and website and everything. It's all about that. So this is another very highly skilled, and mostly graphic designers prefer to go into this field after getting some experience, because you know that UX UI is all about designing. So those who know graphic designing, they can pursue and grow in your career by learning UX and UI design. It's a very huge in demand skill right now, and product designer, everything comes under UX and UI design. And the next skill is copywriting. Copywriting is a very another, if you don't want to go into coding, if you don't want to go into designing, and if you don't want to learn about data analysis and go into the calculation side and Excel, don't want to learn about Excel and anything. So what you can do is you can learn copywriting. Copywriting is not just about writing and you can just write generic writing. No, it's not about that. Copywriting is all about you design a website and you just design interface as well, user friendly interface as well. Now it's time to how you write the things to attract your customer. If your copywriting and the headline and landing page writing is not attracting, so the consumer will not attract and you are not able to grab the attention of your reader or your consumer. It's really important that whatever you are writing, ad copies, sales copies, landing page copies, and everything, even if you are writing and posting something on Instagram or some designing posts, social media posts on your Instagram or LinkedIn, so your whatever you write in your caption, it has to be very attractive, attention grabbing, call to action button also should be there, and whatever you want to transfer and communicate with your customer, your copy should be like this. And it's a very good skill if anyone can learn it, and you have to learn about this in detail, and what you have to do, how you can learn it. You have to read different articles when you go outside, just see different billboards, how they are writing, how they are communicated with their customer, what writing they are using, what words they are using, either Urdu, English, what target audience they have, either young generation, they are targeting youth, young generation, Gen Z, millennial, everything. When you understand the basic of copywriting, attention grabbing, and how you are attracting your customer, if you know the basic of copywriting, then you will able to understand the science behind the billboards writing, ad copies, sales copies, and everything. So it's really important, and you should know about copywriting skill and you should learn about it. So these skills are very high in demand right now, and this is a very good chance if you are able to learn this skill. And I always encourage people that you should learn some kind of skill to make your, so you can be able to work and grow in this competitive job market. I know it's not easy, especially if you are in Pakistan and the way nation is going right now. So you should know, you should not restrict yourself to one specific field. If you know graphic designing, you should learn about copywriting. You should learn about video editing. You should know how to about everything UX and UI design. So everything matters a lot, especially if you really want to stay in this job world for a long term and you really want to just earn a lot of money. Then you really have to work on your skill, you and work on yourself as well. It's along with the skills, you have to work on your communication skill as well, how you are communicating with others, how you are respecting others, how you give importance and uplifting your colleagues and everyone. So everything is a mixture of everything. So you should learn any of these skills. This is a very good chance. If you just graduated, you have a lot of time in searching and applying on different jobs. So you should learn. In the meantime, you can learn any of these skills to enhance your skills and enhance your worth in the job market. So I hope this video helps you out. And you will be able to get a job on the basis of this skill. And don't be embarrassed or don't be ashamed that if you don't have a degree from a very renowned school, and just focus on your skill and focus on your career path. So trust me, guys, everything will start working in your favor. But you have to show some kind of courage if you really want to progress in this job world. So and don't fear and believe in yourself. Everything work out in the end. So thank you so much. Bye.